Okay, so Algebra 31, Algebra week 31, day 4 is where we're at. We're going to grade 3.6. So here we go. We're going to grade 3.6, 6 through 42 even. Okay, number 6. You guys just had to round up on this to the nearest tenth, so you should have got 108.2. Number 8 should just be 63.0. 10 should be negative 2.56. 12 should be negative 0.21. 14. Okay, it says round. Okay, so negative 35.19. 16, negative 2.97. 18, negative 0.11. Not negative. Sorry, not negative 0.11. 20 is 2.62. 22 is 3.29. 24 is negative 1.58. Sorry, I'm writing around that thing. Okay, 26 is 9.62. 28, 0.31. 30 is 1.56. 32 is 0.38. 34 is negative 6.98. 36 is negative 1.33. 38 is 456.2. We have 0, whatever. Okay, 40. It says multiply the equation by the power to 10 and then write the equivalent. Okay. I didn't really show you guys how to do that. Okay, so if you did it, I'm going to call this the bonus. Okay? So if it was too hard, sorry. If it, like, you're not, okay. Not going to get it wrong, but you should have got, so they wanted you to times the whole thing by 10. So this should be 25x plus 7 equals 46 minus 13x. Sorry, 46 minus 13x. Okay, 42, 167x plus 243x equals 329 times x minus 5. So they basically wanted you to times any decimal point to 10. Yeah. So if you got those right, I'll give you bonuses. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, if you got those right, then you get 2 extra points. Okay? Write this on your paper so I can figure out your grade. Okay. Okay, so we're moving on. Today they're gonna give you formulas and equations and you have to solve them. So they're gonna give you the equation and give you the numbers to put in it. Okay, so we're doing lesson 3.7, page 174. Got my light. Some light is shining right there. Maybe that one. Okay. So, it says the formula for area of a triangle is A equals length times width, right? Find the formula of L for L. So they want L equals, so you're going to divide by W, divide by W. A divided by W, right? That's it for that one. Okay, and then it says, use the new formula to find the length that has the area of 35 and the width of 7. So what's the length? Is 5. So the length is 5. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna get a little bit harder. It says, solve the temperature formula for F. Okay, so they have C equals 5/9 times F. So times I wrote that wrong. Get rid of it. Times F minus 32. So you remember when we got rid of that fraction before, so you're going to divide by 5/9, which means flip that jazz. So this is going to times by 9/5, right? So rewrite 9/5 C equals F minus 32. Okay, they still want F by itself, so now I have to plus 32. Plus 32. So now I'm going to put F on this. Well, they keep it. Okay, so 9/5C plus 32 equals F. Okay. So you're basically solving for whatever one they tell you to solve for. And then sometimes they'll give you a number to put in for here, and then you have to solve it. This one they didn't, solving the temperature conversion. Okay. They didn't give me anything besides solve for F. Okay? So then they said the simple interest investment. Simple interest is I equals principal times rate times time, right? IPRT. Okay, and then they said solve for R. So I'm solving for R. Okay? So I'm going to divide by PT, divide by PT. So I rewrite this, I divided by PT equals, sorry, my brain, equals R. That looks like a V, R. Okay, then they said, find the rate of an investment of, so you have I, P, R, T, rate, and I don't know R. Okay, they said 1,500 for the principal. That earned $54. Man, I am dyslexic this morning. $54 in 1 year. Okay? So, what you have, you just put it into here. Okay? And remember, we got to I divided by P, T equals R. That's what we got to. Okay, so I have 54 divided by 115 times 1. use your calculator. Okay, so I have 54 basically divided by that. So what you're going to put in the calculator is 54 divided by 1500. Put that into your calculator. You should have got 0.036. Blah, blah. Okay, so you have to move this over for that rate. So now you move it over twice, and this is 3.6%. Okay? Okay. So let's do another one. So they're going to mix it all up. Sometimes they'll give you the equation. They're going to ask you questions. Substitute stuff in. Okay. So the next one is distance equals rate times time. Solve for time. So I'm going to divide by r, divide by r. So now I have d divided by r equals t. Okay? Then they said, use your calculator. Okay. They said the Pathfinder's trip took 212 days, right? You guys are on page 175. It would help if you just look at it. So they found some multiple ones. So the one that works the best would be C. The answer C, which is really close to 215 is what they got to. And then, so they were traveling around 60,000 miles per hour. Rewriting equations so that x is it x, y. Oh, those are easy. Okay, so, and then the second part of this is to just rewrite equations so it's y equals. So they have 3x plus y equals 4. So you're going to minus 3x minus 3x. So now I have y equals 4 minus 3x. They just wanted to equal y, so you're solving for y. Okay, another one. Input, output. Yeah, I don't really care about that. So all of that work, and you guys are going to be solving for y basically today. Okay, so you guys can do you guys can do okay, 11 through 29. That's it. 11 through 29. 15 through 29, you're solving for y. Okay? So this is 3.7, 11 through 29. All of them. Have a great weekend.